John is not the only one of a program. Each agent has a different program with a different program length. With a new NICE Performance Management, Donna has a view of all the smart programs which are taking place. It's an actual program management module or tool which is built into NICE Performance Management. Same as you have an ERP solution to manage the enterprise resources in your organization, or a BPM solution to manage the business processes in your organization, you have a performance program management in order to manage the performance programs in your organization. In Donna's program management, she can see for each agent what programs are currently running, their progress, their status, how many tasks have been completed, and of course she can also see the impact of each program on the KPI she is trying to drive. This tool enables Donna to manage her programs, to see that they're spread properly across her team, and that the programs are being done. So we see that Donna was able to easily identify not only the problem, but where she needs to focus. She created a structured and personalized program for John. John did the program and his KPI improved.